Hello children, I hope you all are happy and safe today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day, we will learn something new in a fun and exciting way. Are you all ready to have some fun? Let us begin our day with a tongue twister. He threw 3 free throws. I hope you all liked saying the tongue twister with me. Before we move on to the chapter, let us learn some new words. चलो अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखते हैं. And I want all of you to listen to these words very carefully. Our first word is swooped. 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 An eagle swooped in and stole all the fruits from the garden. Our second word is sobbed. 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 Rani was so upset that she sobbed the entire day. Our third word is geese. 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 Soham saw 2 geese flying up in the sky. Our fourth word is corner. 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 Priya always sits in the corner of the classroom. Our fifth and the last word is frighten. 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 Even the slightest noise frightens my pet dog Moti. The name of our chapter is Alyonushka. Once upon a time, there was a girl called Alyonushka. Alyonushka lived with her father, mother and baby brother Ivanushka. One day, mother said to Alyonushka, "Daughter, we are going out to work. Be a good girl and look after your baby brother." Father and mother went away. Soon, Alyonushka forgot all that her mother had said. She seated her baby brother on the grass, ran out to her friends and began to play with them. She clean forgot to look after her baby brother. Here we saw how Alyonushka lives with her father, mother and little baby brother Ivanushka. One day, when her parents were going out for some work, they had asked Alyonushka to take care of her baby brother. But Instead of taking care of her brother, she had left him in the garden and had gone out to play with her friends. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे अल्योनुष्का अपने माता पिता और छोटे भाई इवानुष्का के साथ रहती है। एक दिन जब उसके माता पिता बाहर किसी काम से जा रहे थे, उन्होंने उसे अपने भाई का ध्यान रखने के लिए कहा था। लेकिन अपने भाई का ध्यान रखने की जगह वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलने चली गई। Can you guess what happens next? Let us read and find out. Suddenly, a flock of geese came flying. They swooped down, picked up her baby brother, and flew away with him. Look, Alyonushka, cried one of the children. The geese are flying away with your baby brother. Stop, stop, you wicked birds, said Alyonushka. But it was no use. She ran after the birds. The birds flew faster and faster and were soon out of sight. Poor Alyonushka. What could she do? She sobbed and wept. But then she got up and said, I must bring back my baby brother. Suddenly, a flock of geese swooped in. Swooped in means flew down with a great speed, picked up Alyonushka's little brother, and flew away. All her friends started screaming and telling the same to Alyonushka. She tried to run after the geese, but these birds were very, very fast. Poor Alyonushka. But she decides that she will get her baby brother back. अचानक से कुछ हंस तेजी से उड़कर आए और अलियानुष्का के भाई को छीनकर वहां से उड़ गए। ये देखते ही उसके सारे दोस्त उसे चीख चीख कर बताने लगे। अलियानुष्का ने इन हंसों के पीछे भागने की बहुत कोशिश की, लेकिन वो हंस उससे कहीं गुना ज्यादा तेज थे। बेचारी अलियानुष्का। What do you think she does next? Let's find out. Away ran Alyonushka to where the birds had flown. She ran and ran till she came to an oven. Oven, oven, tell me where the geese have flown. Eat a slice of my wheat bread first, said the oven. What? Eat a slice of wheat bread? At home, we don't eat even wheat cakes. So the oven kept quiet. Alyonushka ran on. But then she turned back and said, I'm sorry, oven. I'd like to taste your wheat bread. Alyonushka ate a slice of the wheat bread and the oven showed her the way. She thanked the oven and ran on. Alyonushka kept running and running. On her way, she met an oven. Now, when she asked the oven for directions, the oven asked her to eat a bread that the oven had made. Alyonushka did not want to have the bread, but when she realized that the oven will not tell her directions until she eats the bread, she ate the bread. After the oven told her the directions, she started running again. भागते भागते अलियानुष्का को रास्ते में एक अवन मिला। जब अवन से उसने रास्ता पूछा, तब अवन ने कहा कि रास्ता बताने के पहले अलियानुष्का को उसका बनाया हुआ एक ब्रेड खाना पड़ेगा। अलियानुष्का को ब्रेड खाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था, लेकिन जब उसे पता चला कि ब्रेड अगर उसने नहीं खाया तो अवन रास्ता नहीं बताएगा, तो उसने ब्रेड खा लिया। और जैसे ही अवन ने रास्ता बताया, वो फिर से दौड़ने लगी। Soon she came to an apple tree. Apple tree, tell me where the geese have flown. Eat one of my wild apples first, said the apple tree. What? Me eat a wild apple? At home we don't eat even garden apples. So the apple tree kept quiet. Alyanushka ran on. But then she turned back and said, I'm sorry, apple tree. I'd like to taste your apples. She ate a wild apple and the apple tree showed her the way. She thanked the apple tree and ran on. After running for a while, Alyanushka came across an apple tree. When she asked the apple tree for directions, just like the oven had, the apple tree also asked her to eat their apple first. Alyanushka again did not want to eat the apple, but just for her baby brother, she ate the apple. And when the apple tree gave her directions, she started running again. कुछ देर भागते ही अल्योनुष्का के सामने एक एप्पल ट्री आया। जब एप्पल ट्री से उसने रास्ता पूछा, तो अवन की ही तरह एप्पल ट्री ने भी कहा कि उसे पहले एक एप्पल खाना पड़ेगा। अब इस बार भी अपने भाई के लिए अल्योनुष्का ने एप्पल खा लिया और रास्ता पता चलते ही वो फिर से भागने लगी। Soon she came to the milk river. Milk river, please tell me where the geese have gone. Have some milk first, said the milk river. Alyanushka thought, have milk? At home I don't touch even cream. But then she thought, no, I must not say that. So she had some milk and the milk river showed her the way. She thanked the milk river and ran on. After running again, this time Alyanushka came across a milk river. And just like the oven and the apple tree, when she asked the milk river for directions, the milk river asked her to drink some milk. And again, in spite of not wanting to drink the milk, she drank the milk and after hearing the directions, started running again. अब इस बार थोड़ी देर भागते ही अल्योनुष्का के सामने एक मिल्क रिवर यानी दूध की नदी आई। अवन और एप्पल ट्री की तरह मिल्क रिवर ने भी अल्योनुष्का से कहा कि उसे अगर रास्ता जानना है तो उसे दूध पीना पड़ेगा। अब इस बार भी अल्योनुष्का दूध नहीं पीना चाहती थी, लेकिन अपने भाई के लिए उसने दूध पिया और रास्ता पता चलते ही फिर से भागने लगी। She ran over the fields and through the woods. At the edge of a wood, she saw a hut on hen's feet, turning round and round. Inside the hut sat Baba Yaga, the witch. And as the hut turned, Alyanushka saw Ivanushka sleeping in a corner. Alyanushka was frightened. But what could she do? She went inside the hut. Who are you? Asked Baba Yaga. And why have you come? I am Alyanushka and I have come to take my baby brother, she said and picked up her baby brother. Come to take your baby brother? He, laughed Baba Yaga. I have got your baby brother and now I have got you too. After running for a long time, Alyanushka finally came across a hut. But this hut had legs just like a hen and it was going round and round. When she looked inside the hut, she saw her baby brother. But along with her brother, she also saw a witch named Baba Yaga. Now, children, can you all tell me, in cartoon movies, have you ever seen a scary looking woman who wears a conical hat and wears black dress? She roams around on a broom. Yes, that is what a witch looks like. A witch is a very evil character. And Baba Yaga in this story is a witch who uses black magic. Now, black magic is also magical power, but these are magical powers used to harm people. So these are not good. Now, seeing the witch, Alyonushka is very frightened. Frightened means to be very scared. But she decides that she will save her brother. As soon as the witch sees Alyonushka, she is more scared now. The witch tells her that now that Alyonushka is here, she will capture her as well. कुछ ही देर भागते ही अलियोनुष्का के सामने एक हट आया. हट यानी घर. लेकिन इस हट के 2 पांव थे और ये पांव मुर्गी की तरह थे और ये हट गोल गोल घूम रहा था. जैसे ही उसने अंदर देखा, अंदर उसे उसका भाई दिखा. लेकिन उसके भाई के साथ साथ वहां एक विच भी थी. विच यानी डायन. और इस विच का नाम था बाबा यागा. वो इस विच को देखते ही बहुत ही ज्यादा घबरा गई थी. और जब उस विच ने उससे कहा कि अब वो यहाँ आ ही गई है, तो उसके भाई के साथ साथ वो अलियोनुष्का को भी अपने पास रख लेगी, तो अलियोनुष्का बहुत ही ज्यादा डर गई. Oh no, you haven't, said Alyonushka. Holding Ivanushka, she jumped out of the hut and began to run back home. Then Baba Yaga, the witch, called up the geese. Go after the children and bring them back to me, she shouted. The geese went flying after the children. Alyonushka ran and ran till she came to the milk river. Milk river, hide us, please. Quickly the milk river hid the children. The geese couldn't find them and turned back. Alyonushka began to run again, but the geese saw the children and came after them. Holding her brother, Alyonushka ran and ran till she came to the apple tree. Apple tree, hide us, please. Quickly the apple tree hid the children in its branches. The geese couldn't find them and turned back. Alyonushka began to run again, but the geese saw the children and flew after them. Holding her brother, Alyonushka ran and ran till she came to the oven. Hide us, please, oven, said Alyonushka. Quickly the oven hid the children. The geese couldn't find them. They flew round and up and down, but it was no use. At last, they turned and flew back to Baba Yaga. Then Alyonushka crawled out of the oven with her baby brother and ran home with him. And before long, father and mother came home too. Here we saw how brave Alyonushka picked up her baby brother, jumped out of the hut and began running. And then we saw how the witch sent her flock of geese behind Alyonushka. But on her way, the apple tree, the oven and even the milk river helped her hide. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे अलियोनुष्का ने बहुत ही बहादुरी के साथ अपने भाई को हट से उठाया, हट से कूद गई और वो भागने लगी. और फिर हमने देखा कि कैसे उस विच ने अलियोनुष्का के पीछे उसके हंसों को छोड़ा. लेकिन रास्ते में मिल्क रिवर, एप्पल ट्री और अवन ने उसकी छुपने में मदद की. Such a wonderful story, right? In this fairy tale, we learned that good always wins over the evil, no matter what. इस कहानी में हमने सीखा कि हमेशा चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, अच्छाई की ही जीत होती है. बुराई कभी भी जीत नहीं सकती. Today we learnt a wonderful story. Now let us do an activity. The activity that we are going to do is called one and many. Let me explain this to you. One means only one object. For example, pen. Many means two or more objects. For example, pens. Now, box will come under one, but boxes will come under many. One यानी कोई एक वस्तु जैसे कि पेन और many यानी दो या दो से ज्यादा वस्तुएं जैसे कि pens. Now on your screen you will see a lot of words. You have to read these words carefully and put them in the right columns of one or many. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर बहुत शब्द दिखाई देंगे. आपको इन शब्दों को ध्यान से पढ़ना है और इन्हें इनके सही जगह पर रखना है. One है या many. You will only have 30 seconds to do this activity. All the best! Now let us look at the answers. Our first word is girl. Girl means only one girl, right? So the correct answer is 1. The next word is day. Day will also come under 1. The next word is friends. Friends talks about two or more friends. So friends will come under many. The next word is baby. Baby will come under 1. The next word is children. Children means two or more children. So the answer is many. The next word is birds. Birds will also come under many. The next word is oven. Oven will come under 1. The next word is slice. Slice comes under 1. The next word is cakes. Cakes comes under many. The next word is tree. Tree comes under 1. Apples comes under many. Father comes under 1. Feet means 2 feet, right? So feet will come under many. Geese comes under many. The singular for geese is goose. Did you know that? The next word is hut. Hut will come under 1. Home will also come under 1. Mother will come under 1. And the last word men will come under many. I hope you all like this session. Today we learnt a wonderful story and we also learnt a wonderful message. आज हमने एक बहुत ही अच्छी कहानी पढ़ी और इस कहानी के साथ साथ एक बहुत ही अच्छा मैसेज भी सीखा. We learnt that good always wins over the evil. अच्छाई की हमेशा बुराई पर जीत होती है. Now I want all of you to share this same message with your family and friends. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी ये मैसेज अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.